Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Well, you know how we do it. I'm gonna jump right on into it. Y'all get into this. Get into this. Look at this coffee mug. Y'all, I got this at TJ Maxx. Isn't she lovely? Well, honey, she has tea in her tonight. Y'all, when I say this tea is amazing, I done told y'all, go to Target and get the Good and Gather. The Good and Gather organic limited edition apple cinnamon. Y'all, and I just add honey in it, natural honey. Amazing. Well, yes, in this video I will do the fall apartment tour. Nothing major, just a few little changes in the Barbie penthouse that make me feel cozy, warm, and just give me that fall vibe. And no, you will not see orange up in here. Y'all know better than that. I don't do orange. We don't do orange over here. So if you're looking for traditional, that's not what it's gonna be. I got all my things. I shopped my apartment. Yes, I shopped my apartment. Shopped my apartment, Ross, TJ Maxx, and Target. Yes. Apartment, shopped my apartment, Target, Ross, TJ Maxx. Honey, I'm not that person. I'm not gonna go into the debt for a video. No, I'm not gonna do all that. And it's what makes me feel good. And I will tell you that, sis, um, change your home up to make you feel good. Get some inspiration. What makes you feel great on the inside. Okay? So, anyway, I went to the doctor. I got to catch y'all up. Went to the doctor this past week. Everything went well. Blood work came back. Numbers are excellent. Y'all, I got to get this weight off. Ah, yes, here we go again. Here we go. I know y'all saying, here she go. Here she go again. Yes, here I go again. I am a true believer. If you fall off the horse, get back up, get back on it, and ride off into the sunset. Get to your destination. Go where you need to go. Get to where you need to be. And so that's what we're doing. So here is my journal. Here's my journal. This is my food journal for me to write down everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. I don't care if it is getting ready to be holiday season. I'm coming to play no games. I'm coming to play no games, okay? Period. I'm coming to play no games. So that's what's up with that. I will, like I said, be writing everything down. And I want y'all to come along this journey with me. Because I know I can do it. Anything that I have ever set my mind to do, I do it. And I'm not going to let this one thing conquer me. I'm going to conquer it. Okay, let me sip on some tea with that. I'm going to conquer it. So today I went for a walk. Y'all, it was a good walk. I really, really needed that fresh air because if you don't know, the storm that just came, it was really bad. But back home where I live, nobody has power. They still don't have power. The storm was Thursday and Friday morning. School is out tomorrow and Tuesday. They're not expecting power until Wednesday for most people, maybe even longer. I wanted to pick my dad up. I said, Daddy, you want me to come pick you? I'll come pick you up. You come stay with me. He said, no, I'm fine. Now, y'all have to understand, my daddy was in the military. So, you know, he has his candles. He has candles. He has charcoal. He has his lighter fluid. Everything that you would need to survive, he has it. So, he's good. And meeting people. I said, well, Daddy, I don't want you to run your battery down on your phone. He was like, oh, I just go to the QT and charge it. I said, what? He said, everybody go to the QT. I said, what they charging? He said, tablets, phones, you name it. Everybody in the neighborhood is meeting at QT. He was like, everything I need. He said, I can walk to it. And y'all, I do love that about my old neighborhood. You have the gas station, you have the cleaners, you have CVS. When I say everything is in walking distance, the grocery store, everything that a person would need. If you lived in my old neighborhood, the neighborhood I grew up in, you don't need a car. You can walk literally to everything that you would need. Everything. And so he said it just seems like the storm has brought the community closer together. But y'all, please pray for Greenville, South Carolina. I'm from Simpsonville, which is right there. Power lines knocked down. People have lost their homes. Trees fell through the homes on top of cars. It's really a sad situation. So I just say, please pray for those families and for the people down there in Greenville, South Carolina. My area was hit, but not like back home. North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. But to be honest, I feel that back home got it the worst. I mean, than anybody. It's really, really bad. So, but Daddy is good. I have to let y'all know that. Daddy is good. We're going on the weight loss journey. I already bought the groceries for this week. We're going hard. We're going hard, and we're going to stick to the plan. I'm going to write everything down. And without further ado, we're going to go on this apartment tour. And like I said, it's very cozy. I didn't change up too much. It's giving fall vibes, you know, and sis, if you are waiting to go to the store to get things for fall, baby, you're going to be short. The girls have gotten everything. Do you hear me? The aunties have gotten everything. The big sis, the big sisters have gotten everything. Baby, the stores have made their money. The girls understood the assignments and they have bought the stores out. And now the stores are moving on to Christmas. But like I said, without further ado, I'm finna roll this tape and Fall Apartment Tour 2024. Here she comes.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
All right, sis. I told y'all I didn't change up too much. That's my fall vibe. That's what makes me happy when I come home and to just curl up. And I just want to tell y'all good night. I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Toodles. Bye.